Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it is Tuesday, May 5th. Okay, I'm back at Salesforce. I was talking about this yesterday, and I wanted to come back to it because of what happened today. I had mentioned, look, this was last week. The rumor was that Oracle was going to be buying Salesforce. The rumor, and we all know how wonderful and reputable all the fine folks on Wall Street are about only putting out rumors that are actually true, right? So you really want to get the edge there and get the latest rumor so you can get it before everybody else does. Oh, crap, that's right. We are everybody else. So everybody buys this stock, and I'd mentioned yesterday, look, you know, this is not really the time you want to buy the stock. The air's being let out of this thing. Wait for more of a pullback for a lower risk buy. Or, alternative, of course, a move to a new high, which tells you that something's truly going on. So then we get today. We get, instead of a pullback, stock was, let's look at it on an intraday basis. Okay. Stock popped up first thing in the morning and then was drifting. Okay, well, the guy who had a bunch of shares of Salesforce that needed to get out of it last week probably did get out of a lot of it because he's the guy that started the rumor, whoever that is. Somebody else got stuck with it, or maybe he had more. So, well, hell, let's just do that again. So they start another rumor, okay? So much so that the stock, let's look and see, wait for it, is halted. Because of this unusual activity, okay, the stock pops 6%, boom, just like that. Big volume, pops 6%. Then the rumor comes out, or then CNBC reports that it's Microsoft. And they weren't, they weren't adding fuel to the fire or anything like that. They're just reporting it. That's, when a stock pops like this, they're going to have to say something. The point is, so the stock starts gyrating around. My bet is the dude who bought this stuff here was selling it right here. Hate to tell you that, but that's the way this game is played. It's a contact sport, as I say, wear a cup. Okay, so now this has moved lower. I will tell you the same thing I said yesterday. I'll stand by this. This is not a stock that you want to be buying. Not right now. There's too much going on. If you want to take a shot, be speculative, then go ahead, buy the stock, and hopefully, somebody's buying it for $100. Who knows? Maybe Michael Dell will come back into the picture. But no, he won't. The bottom line is, though, this is a stock that's going to move on speculation, on rumors, on somebody with a lot of money wanting to hose the public. Not that that ever happens or anything, but it could, theoretically, right? So just be careful about this stock. Fundamentally, the company's solid. Technically, on a weekly basis, the company's solid, the stock is solid. I mean, this is a stock that I would want to buy. I just can't condone buying it here. You could buy it here and get lucky, but you could buy it here and get unlucky as well. I would still say, let the stock settle down. If somebody buys it, well, I guess you didn't get involved. But wait for your entry. You want to take the best entry or none at all. Oh, by the way, members, I'll be talking about this in a little more detail. Actually, very little. But I'm going to be teaching a workshop on July 18th, which is on a Saturday. And it's going to be, as usual, members will get a reduced price. But this is a different kind of workshop than I've ever taught before. It's literally a workshop, not a seminar. So, bring your blue collar shirt because we're going to roll up our sleeves and get to work. I'll tell you more about it in the next week or so, but there will be limited seating, and it truly will be, not just, we say there's limited seating to build up a sense of urgency, and then if we need more seats, have them put in. It's not going to be that kind of deal. So anyway, you may want to check that out. I'll see you next time.